Rare opportunity to own a unique corner lot property featuring 2 attached residences, each with its own street frontage, private entrance, covered front porch, 2-car garage, HOA, and identical floor plan. Unlike a traditional side-by-side duplex, each residence faces a different street, creating the appearance and feel of 2 individual homes while offering the convenience of a connected design. Designed for both comfort and flexibility, each home features a spacious living and dining area, a bright kitchen with French doors leading to the backyard, and a convenient first-floor guest powder bath. Upstairs, all bedrooms are thoughtfully positioned for added privacy. The primary suite includes a private ensuite bath, while the secondary bedrooms are generously sized and complemented by abundant storage throughout each residence. The Wilson Street residence has been thoughtfully upgraded with luxury vinyl flooring, an enhanced kitchen with stone counters and gas cooking, beautifully updated bathrooms, and an attractive staircase that adds character and style. The Maple Street residence has been a consistently popular rental and has been exceptionally maintained, offering a spotless interior that reflects pride of ownership. The location offers exceptional convenience with nearby access to downtown Winter Garden, one of Central Florida's most sought-after destinations. Enjoy a vibrant mix of locally owned restaurants, cafés, boutiques, specialty shops, the award-winning Winter Garden Farmers Market, seasonal festivals, live entertainment, and the renowned West Orange Trail. The property also provides convenient access to the 429, the 408, and Florida's Turnpike, making travel throughout Central Florida simple. Popular destinations, including Winter Garden Village, Walt Disney World Resort, major employment centers, shopping, dining, entertainment, parks, and everyday conveniences, are all nearby. Whether you're seeking a property that offers exceptional flexibility for evolving lifestyle needs, the opportunity to generate rental income, or the convenience of 2 complete residences under one roof, this distinctive property delivers a rare combination of privacy, functionality, and long-term versatility. Opportunities like this are seldom